Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Pilot windshield wipers. First, gather your new wiper blades and a soft towel. Make sure your vehicle is parked on a level surface for safety. You might also want to measure your current blades to ensure you have the correct replacement sizes. This preparation makes the entire process much smoother and quicker for you. Now, let's remove the old blades. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield. Look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab, then slide the old blade straight off. Be careful not to let the arm snap back and place a towel on your windshield for protection. Installing the new blades is straightforward. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the blade on until you hear a click, indicating it's securely locked. Carefully lower the wiper arm back onto the windshield. Repeat these steps for the other side, ensuring both blades are firmly attached. Finally, let's perform a quick check. Confirm that both new wiper blades are firmly attached and that the arms rest correctly on your windshield. Then, spray some water on the windshield and test the wipers to ensure they operate smoothly and clear the glass effectively. You've successfully changed your Honda Pilot's wiper blades.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.